Ready to turn your passion into profit with personalized merch, but unsure if Fourthwall is the right platform to launch your creator empire? Let's dive into a comprehensive Fourthwall review, exploring features, pricing, usability, and support, so you can determine if it's the ultimate solution for monetizing your audience. First, let's talk features. Fourthwall shines with its built-in storefront customization, meaning you can easily brand your shop to match your unique style. The design editor is intuitive, letting you upload your artwork and position it precisely on various products like apparel, accessories, and even digital downloads. A huge plus is their print-on-demand model. No need to worrying about inventory or upfront costs. Fourthwall handles everything. Now for the cost, Fourthwall operates on a revenue-sharing model, taking a percentage of each sale, which varies depending on your chosen plan and product type. While there aren't any monthly fees to get started, understanding the commission structure is critical for calculating your potential profit margins. We will cover a breakdown later on how to calculate profits. Fourthwall is remarkably easy to use. The platform has a clean and intuitive interface. Adding products, designing your storefront, and managing orders are all straightforward processes. However, the platform still has some more to be desired in its advanced customization capabilities. And finally, we have support. Fourthwall has a dedicated support center with a range of articles to get you started. If you ever need more help, you can contact them through email. To summarize, Fourthwall offers an accessible entry point into the merch world, especially for creators who value simplicity and no upfront investment. However, the revenue share and potentially limited advanced customization are considerations to be aware of. So, is Fourthwall right for you? Weigh the pros and cons against your specific needs and audience. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth creator platform reviews.